Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Stripe payments on Shopify. To connect Stripe with Shopify, the first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify dashboard. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you can start a free trial. Once you're logged in, head over to the settings located at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. From there, navigate to the Payments section. Now, if you click on Add Payment Method and try searching for Stripe, you'll notice that it won't show up in the list. The reason for this is that Shopify, by default, uses its own payment provider called Shopify Payments, which already operates through Stripe. Since Shopify Payments is powered by Stripe, the platform doesn't offer Stripe as a separate service within the payment methods. That being said, Stripe may still be available in certain countries where Shopify Payments itself isn't offered. In those cases, you'll likely see Stripe as an option you can enable directly, but if you're in a country where Shopify Payments is supported, you won't be able to manually add Stripe as a separate payment gateway, and that's it. Thank you for watching.